what I'm doing is clearing from about where that tree, that blue tree is right there, the blue tag tree. You can see through the woods. I believe that there's other blue tag trees through there, but it's roughly a triangular shape that will connect this lobe of the pasture, and there's possibly, you can see that there's another lobe to the pasture back there. It's kind of like a V shape right now, and I want to cut straight through and connect the V shape to have one big pasture. And this is terrible woods in here, so it's just got to go. So what I'm going to do now is walk in to the very far side and start whacking my way back here where I'm going to leave the gas, and I'll fill up and then head back in and keep going until I'm out of gas. This is the wood pile slash dirt slash root slash everything that grew here since. This was pushed up when this pasture here was cleaned, and in the summer this gets so thick with stuff that you really can't even tell what it is, but there it is. I mean, it's been 4 years, and they have 10 foot tall trees growing in here. So I need to get in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to whack some of this brush out of here, and then as I do my brush cutting in the woods back there, I'm going to drag stuff up to this, and I'm going to try burning it down here on this end. I got to get rid of it, but I don't want so big of a fire. See, I got a oak that I'm saving right there, and I got an oak on the other end that I want to save. So I want to start a fire right in the middle, and the ends of this stuff will just fall right off, and then I'll toss it back in. I'll burn it in the winter. So I was down there maybe, I don't know, 500 feet away or so, around the side of the hill in the woods, brush cutting. And I was walking uphill, and my toe, one of my toes, which was broke, I don't know, maybe about a month ago, and it had healed up since then. Just snapped pretty bad, and it's burning like crazy right now. So I had to hobble out of the woods. I'm at the gator right now, so I gotta go tape my toes together, and then come back and get my gasoline and stuff from up there. And then I'll probably have to do something else tomorrow. This is a little too steep. The toe is just gonna break again. So that's it for today.